Enter our affiliate platform via aff.dhgate.com. Here's a brief introduction of DHgate Affiliate and the most recent news. Click Join Free in the top right corner. Insert your email address and set up an account password. Please be aware that our affiliate team will contact you through this email, so make sure that it's a mailbox you use frequently. To do your first login, click Enter Your Workplace. Our agreement pops up, which includes our terms and conditions. Once you've read it, please check the box Active after reading it. And here we go. The registration is complete. Then the first thing you need to do is fill your information. A pop-out window like this one will open. Insert the title, URL, contact, and select some tags for your media. This will help us to track your conversion and also help the DHgate affiliate team to know you better. Save your media. You can always edit it or add a new media. Just go to Affiliate Center and Media and Tracking. For example, if you have a group chat, a blog, and a YouTube for promotion, you can add them as 3 different media sources to separate their conversion tracking. And then you can click on Tracking for more detailed options.